Hello campers and parents, welcome back to week 11 Mountaineer Magic. So I'm going to be making static flyers with balloon and plastic, okay? So maybe some of you in the past have rubbed the balloon on your head and then stuck it to a wall. We're going to be trying a similar concept, except this time we're going to charge both the balloon and the plastic. So instead of sticking to the balloon, it should repel from the balloon and therefore fly above the balloon. Okay, now it says to have a cotton towel or a shirt or a blanket of sorts, but since we know that rubbing on our head works just as easily, I'm going to be rubbing it on my head today. Also, it's kind of funny what happens to my hair, but that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to start by just rubbing it on my hair, just like this. And at the same time, I'm going to rub the plastic on my hair as well. And you're going to do this for a little while, probably 20 to 30 seconds. And then, it should be floating. I've been having some difficulty with it. Ignore this. Try it again. Second attempt might work a little better. All right, here we go. Kind of. Whoa! It's just going too fast. I can't keep up with it, but hopefully you can. Maybe it'll help if you make your balloon a little bit smaller than this. This is like the size of my head, a little bit bigger than my head, so this is maybe too much. So what are some modifications to this? So if you're a beginner and you don't know how to blow up a balloon, that's fine. Miss Angelina actually had an activity this week called Magic Balloons, in which she will show you how to blow up your own balloon without having to actually blow into it. So if you want to do that, check it out so that you can get some advice on blowing up your balloon. Once you've done that, if you're a beginner, again, keep that balloon small. The smaller, the easier. That way it's easier to handle. Now for intermediate, you might want to time yourself. So blow a little bit bigger, try to do it on your own, and see how long you could keep the plastic in air. As you can see, I'm not very good at it, but that's also because my spacer is a little bit small and there's probably a lot of airflow going on here. So you might want to do this in a space where maybe there's not as much airflow happening. And then for advanced, make 2 balloons with 2 different pieces of plastic strips, and then see if you can control 2 different pieces of plastic suspended in air with both balloons. So 1 balloon for each hand, see if you can do that to control. That is it for this week's activity. I hope you all had a good time, and since it's the last activity, I won't be seeing you next week, but hopefully I'll be seeing you next summer. Do well in school and try to enjoy it, even though it might not be the same as last year, but try to do your best and make it out there. All right, so I'll see you guys next time.